Today, the world is a global marketplace for digital content and e-commerce. Movies, TV, and live sports are increasingly viewed by their fans, on demand, all over the world on their PCs, mobiles, and tablets. In 2014, online viewing grew by 388%. And the increase is more than just a few diehards binge-watching. The number of unique viewers more than doubled, growing 146% year over year. This steep growth in online viewing has introduced several issues to protecting intellectual property rights, because location spoofing companies make it more challenging to restrict content between jurisdictions, which is typically how production companies license and distribute their rights. Researchers have determined that in international markets, such as China, 36% of online viewers participate in location spoofing. In other words, billions of dollars are being lost in the current market because of location masking tools like VPNs and proxies. As soon as a production company licensed content rights to one online streaming supplier to distribute in one small market, at a small fee, they expose that content to any online viewer worldwide. Up until now, defenses against VPNs and proxies relied on analyzing internet traffic to try and spot suspect IP addresses used to spoof location by masking the true location of that device. However, such databases of known proxies, which were always limited at best in their coverage of suspect IPs, became almost totally powerless against the introduction of IPv6, which offers unlimited IP ranges for proxies to switch between, as well as the recent rise of DNS proxies. DNS proxies rely on spoofing of the DNS gateway rather than just the IP address. These DNS proxies, such as Unlocator and Smart DNS Proxy, offer users the ability to watch streamed content through the foreign OTT's own bandwidth, rather than through the limited capacity available via a VPN tunnel. Good news for rights holders around the world is that GeoComply's award-winning soulless solution will remove these location issues and risks. By basing its geolocation data results on the device and the network data, and weaving into those results a complex matrix of checks and analytical algorithms, GeoComply are able to combat location fraud and return the true location of an end user. Trusted by some of the world's most tightly regulated companies and licensed in multiple jurisdictions around the world, GeoComply is now the market leader in the fast-growing market of enhanced, secure geolocation. Already deployed over 200 million devices worldwide and performing more than 20 million geolocation checks every month, GeoComply's powerful and flexible rules engine can be uniquely tailored to match complex legal and licensing requirements, providing OTT services and rights holders the confidence that when content is licensed and restricted to one territory, it stays in that territory. Full stop. Already working with market leaders in the banking, sports, media, and gaming industries, GeoComply Solus is designed to adapt to the changing face of technology and geolocation. Online streaming has moved on enormously in 20 years. Isn't it time that your geofencing system moves on too? Find out more about Solus today.